Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra out of the black screen of death. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. All right, let's jump right to it. So earlier today, I was playing around with this Samsung Galaxy, and I got the phone into this black screen of death, as they call it, where the phone doesn't do anything. I even plugged it in to charge it. It wouldn't show anything. I was pressing this power off, the power lock button, and it wasn't turning on. So I couldn't figure out how to get it back on until I finally did. So if you have your phone in this mode where it doesn't seem to turn on or do anything, I'm going to teach you how to get it to turn on again really easily. So turns out all you have to do to turn it on is you have to press volume down first and then press and hold both volume down and power lock button at the same time until the Samsung logo appears. Okay, and that did do the trick because I was holding the power lock button for a long time. It wouldn't turn on. I was trying on different things, but it does work with the volume down and power lock button. So let's go ahead and do it now so you can see. So first press and hold volume down, and soon after press and hold together with the power lock button. All right, so press and hold them both. And once you see that, you can let go. It may take a little bit longer, but if it does, just continue holding them until you see that Samsung logo. Once you see it, just release and then give it a few seconds and the phone will boot on. Okay, so hope this helped you out. If it did, all I ask is give the video a like. It really helps me out. Comment down below and let me know. Still holding on to an old device? Well, with Redevice, you can get an instant price and sell it in seconds. No hassle work, no guesswork. And if you're upgrading, you can shop certified devices too. Check it out at Redevice, link down below. And that's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. As always, peace.